Welcome back to Dad Deals for a special President's Day edition of the biggest deals of the week, where I share with you the best deals for dads that I find across the internet. As usual, all links to the items are posted below and sorted out by store. Full disclosure, some of the links below are affiliate links, and I do earn a small commission if you decide to click on them and make a purchase. So if you'd like to support the channel at no cost to you, please consider using my links. All right, sit back, relax, and let's check out the best online deals for the week of February 18th, 2024. So before we get started, I want to shout out the sponsor of this video, and it's the Innova OBD2 scanner tool. I featured a lot of these on my channel before, but this one really is the top level. It's made in the USA. You're getting USA customer support. And I love how this has the color display screen, so everything's just an all-in-one compact unit. This thing normally sells for around $345, but they're actually having a President's Day sale where you're getting a 30% off coupon on Amazon, and you're getting over $100 off, so it brings it all the way down to $241. These things are so simple to use. You plug it right into your car's port. It's easy to access. It just plugs in right like a USB cable. And if you're a DIY mechanic, I don't really need to tell you how valuable one of these things is to have. You know, this thing can do everything. It can do TPMS resets, give you live data reports, and really just a ton of other features. It's bi-directional, so you can actually control features on your vehicle with this device, which is crucial during troubleshooting. And the other neat thing about this is it connects right to the Repair Solutions 2 app. So if this thing detects an issue, it'll give you a nice description of what the problem is and then link you directly to the parts on Amazon. So it's just such an awesome tool for DIY mechanics. But really, everybody should have one of these. And I'll just give you a scenario, even if you don't like working on your car. If you're going to be shopping for a used car, taking one of these can save you a ton of money and a ton of headache in the future. You can plug this in, start it up in about 30 seconds. And with the used car market being so crazy, there are definitely some people that have a check engine light on their car, but right before you go to look at it, they unplug the battery. So that clears the code temporarily. You go to look at the car, you don't realize it has these fault codes, and then they show up later down the road. So this tool, quickly at the top here, you see these green dots. This tells you that all of those systems have run. And if you were to see a red dot, you would know that that person has reset the code recently and that the system hasn't gone the necessary miles, say 500 miles, for that test to reoccur and where that check engine light would trigger. So it really can save you a ton of money if you're out there looking for used cars. Bring this along with you. It's super compact, takes, like I said, 30 seconds to a minute to run, and could just save you a ton of headache in the future. But thanks to Innova for sponsoring this video, and now on to the deals. So if you share a first name with any of the US presidents or first ladies, you can actually get a free sub over at Firehouse subs. It isn't a completely free sub, it is a buy one, get one offer. So if you share the name of a president or a first lady, you maybe grab a friend that doesn't share one of those names, take them to Firehouse subs and get your sub for free. Over at Home Depot, they have this Milwaukee M18 fuel version kit here that comes with 6 tools for $600. You're also getting 2 of the batteries, a charger, and a case. So this would just be a great entry line into the Milwaukee tools if you're after those professional level. This is Milwaukee's top line of tools and represents, they say, about a 55% $700 savings. So you're really just getting a good savings here on a nice starter kit. A really awesome deal here on the Ryobi 18-volt wet dry hand vacuum. This comes with all the accessories. It's on sale right now for $50. But with this deal, you're actually also getting a free 2 amp hour battery, and you're getting all this for just $50. So that's a really great deal. And these are great for cleaning out your car or just having around the garage or shop. Also at Home Depot, if you're running out of storage in your garage, you might want to look at this metal shed. It's lockable and it's on sale right now for $180. But this is a 4-foot by 6-foot shed and would be great for storing some outdoor tools, your lawnmower, things like that, maybe your gas can. And this being metal makes it a little bit more nice looking than maybe those plastic versions. But $180 is a great price for this. This compact ratchet set with some sockets from Wera Tools is on sale on Amazon right now. It is just 9% off, but this is a nice little set. It's $67. It has a great compact design and would be great to throw in a tool bag, keep in the truck, something like that. But a nice price here. Also at Amazon, they have the DeWalt 20-volt max impact driver that comes with the battery and charger for $169. And then Lowe's actually having some great President's Day sales. They have this DeWalt 20-volt max 6-tool combo kit that comes with 2 batteries and a charger and a case for $500. So kind of like the Milwaukee set that we talked about before, this is the DeWalt version. So if you'd rather have that line of tools, this is a great entry point. And if you're going to be entering into these lines of tools, so if you want to get into the DeWalt line or the Milwaukee line, it always is a good idea to get one of these starter packs instead of buying everything separately. As you can see here, this is a little exaggerated, but you have over $1,160 if you were to buy everything separately. So it is always a good idea. Try to get one of these starter kits, get you in there, get the batteries and some tools, and kind of get you started. Then you start buying the tool only deals. In that Craftsman V20 line, we have this $300 framing nailer. That's $30 off the normal price. This Craftsman V20 line is actually pretty nice. It's growing rapidly. You know, you have that support from Stanley Black & Decker, DeWalt. That's kind of their parent company. So this is sort of the budget DeWalt line and a nice deal here. The very popular and really great DeWalt miter saw. This is the 12-inch miter saw. It is corded, but this is on sale for $550, $100 off. I have this exact saw, had it for years, works great, and is just super solid. And then the other really popular tool from DeWalt, this is their table saw, the portable job site table saw. And this one comes with that stand, which is a must-have. And this is $550, $100 off right now. So if you're getting into woodworking, these are two great tools to start your collection. And you can build a whole bunch of stuff with a miter saw and a table saw. Going back to that Craftsman line, you can get a V20 4 amp hour battery for just $39 right now over at Lowe's. And then Lowe's also has their Cobalt brand, has this combo kit with 2 batteries and a charger on sale for $230. And then you're actually also getting an extra 4 amp hour battery for free. So just a great entry point into their line of tools. These are the brushless version, the 24 volt max versions. On the Craftsman hand tool side, we have this 230-piece standard and metric mechanics tool set with a nice case with drawers on it for $130. That is $90 off. And then another DeWalt deal, we have this 4-tool combo kit with a case, 2 batteries, and a charger for $350. Here you're getting the light, some drill drivers, the reciprocating saw, again, 2 batteries and a charger. So a nice kit here for $350. And then Flex Tools. I don't talk too much about Flex Tools, but here is their 24 volt, 7¼ inch circular saw with the battery and charger for $250. That's $150 off their normal price. Flex Tools are nice. I really prefer to go to the DeWalt and Milwaukee brands if you're going to go there. I just think they're better supported. They have more tools to choose from, and they're just easier to come across in the stores. Lowe's also has this corded Bosch variable speed fixed router for $150. That's $50 off. I love Bosch tools. I especially love Bosch corded tools. Their battery line is a little iffy, but their bread and butter is their corded tools, and here's a nice router. Here we have the DeWalt 20 volt max cordless angle grinder. This is tool only, but it's on sale for just $100, $40 off the normal price. And then we also have the Circ saw from the DeWalt line for $100 as well. So some great tools there if you already have the battery and charger. Switching gears over to Walmart, they actually have this men's puffer jacket from Reebok that is on clearance right now for just $22. It says the original price was $150. Not sure I believe that, but $22 is still a great price for this jacket. They have the extra large and double XL sizes available. If you have an iPad and you haven't wanted to splurge for the Apple Pencil, it's always ridiculously overpriced. Here's a little bit better of a price. It's 39% off right now over at Amazon at $80. This is the 2nd gen Apple Pencil. Switching back over to Walmart, we have this end of the season deal on the Greenworks snowblower. This is the 40 volt model that comes with the 4 amp hour battery and charger, all for just $148. That is a nice discount there. So if you maybe have some snow in your future still, or you're just gearing up for next year, the nice thing about these battery tools is they don't require much maintenance to them, so you can easily store this for next season and score a nice deal here. Also at Walmart, you can upgrade your pillows for a nice price here. For $30, you get 2 of their memory foam pillows. So if you're a stomach side or back sleeper, I'm pretty sure that covers everything there. These are some nice pillows that can offer you a nice support for $30. Over at Lowe's, we have another Bosch tool deal. This is their battery line of tools and doesn't come with the battery and charger, but this is their variable speed rotary hammer drill for $100. That's $100 off the normal price. If you already have some of those Bosch batteries, go for this one. I would prefer probably a corded version of this, but if you have a use for it, $100 is a great price. Over at Best Buy, you don't really see too many tools over at Best Buy, but here we have the Works leaf blower. This is the 110 mile per hour, 600 CFM rated corded leaf blower. It is just $50 right now. That is a great price. You do have the annoyance of having an extension cord, but if you have a smaller yard and that doesn't bother you, $50 is a great price. And then over at Carhartt, they have their duck bibs on sale right now for just $54. You do have these 2 colors. Kind of the color that I would probably prefer is this tan color. It's on sale in these various sizes. So if you need a new pair of these, Check these out. That's a great price. It is free shipping as well over there. And then one last deal, we have this Milwaukee bit set. This is their concrete carbide hammer drill bit set for $15, which is a savings of about $10. So that's all the deals we have for this President's Day that I found. Let me know in the comments below if you found any other deals out there. And as always, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you next time on Dad Deals.